Hi guys, it's Paula and I hope you are doing well. It has been another crazy week so far. It is really late on Tuesday and I am trying to squeeze in a belated update for the Friends Project Pan. This project was created by Amy from Curly Loves Beauty and Books. And this project is based on the Friends TV show, a theme that I've loved for a long time, and it has been done a few different times over the years in the project panning community. And the take on this theme seemed to be prompts that were based on the various characters of the Friends series, which I thought was really smart and brilliant and creative. We are working on 5 products at a time and it's rolling. So when we meet a goal on a product, it rolls out and a new one rolls in to take its place. And I'm really excited to report that I have met my goal on a product in this project for the first time since this project began way back on February 17th. This project ends on August 17th, and so it's only a 6-month project. It's gonna fly by. And the product that I met my goal on is the hair gel. This is the Big Sexy Hair Blow Dry Volumizing Gel, and I brought this in this project for Rachel, and the prompt for Rachel was a high maintenance product. Hair gel alone is not high maintenance, but in general, anything hair care for me is kind of high maintenance. I mean, look at me. I got a really crappy bun in my hair right now, and we're working with 3-day hair. So yeah, I'm not big into hair care and hair maintenance. And so I thought this was a perfect product to roll into this project for Rachel. I'm really happy it's gone. This is a product that I had received in an Ipsy bag, and I haven't had Ipsy in a long time. So this was just sitting in a cabinet, taking up space, and now it won't be anymore. I actually thought it was pretty good, but I don't need a hair gel in my life. And yeah, I don't think I'll miss it too much now that it's gone. I'm ready to move on to the next hair product that's sitting in my cabinet and move that out next. So I have 4 products rolling over for this month. Not a whole lot to talk about, but let's talk about it anyways. For Monica, the prompt was your cleanest product. I went with my face wash that I've been panning, more so to kind of track how long it's taking me to get through this, because this is a big bottle of face wash than anything, but it has been an interesting journey. This is where I'm currently at. So we are 4 months into this project, and I am just... No, we are 3 months. 1, 2, 3. We are 3 months into this project, excuse me. And I am right there. So it's going about as slow as I thought it was. My suspicions were correct. This is a very slow moving product. That being said, it's really good. I enjoy it. And I've been using it every morning when I take a shower, and I'm glad to have it. And I'm glad I have another one in back stock because I bought 2 at the same time. For Ross, I had the wrong prompt. I used the prompt product that you're anxious to finish. That was not the correct prompt. The correct prompt is in my description box. I apologize for the misunderstanding, but the product I chose was my MAC lipstick in Got a Dash. In an ironic fashion, I had some more anxiety about this lipstick over the past month because for the first time, possibly ever, I thought I lost a lipstick, which rarely happens. I know some people lose products they're panning quite often. I keep a very watchful eye over the products I'm project panning, and I don't think I've ever lost a product. I do have a couple of rollerball perfumes that went MIA somewhere in this house, and I would love to find them, and it's driving me crazy. But other than those 2, I've really never lost anything. And this was missing for a few weeks. So I am wearing it now, but I didn't make a lot of progress on it because it turns out it was rolling around in my car this whole time. It had fallen out of my purse in my car and I couldn't find it. So that's where I'm at, which is probably very close to where I was at last month. if I'm being honest. But I am wearing it right now, and I will try to get back on track with this for the next month. It's a bright color. It's a light color, but it's a fun color, and I like it. I like the way it smells, and I like the way it feels. For Mr. Treager, I had the prompt, a product that fixes your look, and I went with this color corrector from Trish McAvoy. I've been really enjoying this. I cannot tell how far along I am with this product. It's got silver packaging that I cannot see through in any way, and it's twist up. So I just twist up a little bit every day, and I keep getting product. So still going strong. I don't have any idea as to how close I am finishing this, but if I had to guess, it's not like overflowing as much as it was at first, which makes me think it might be getting closer to the end, but I honestly have no idea. That being said, I'm really enjoying that product, and I'm glad I'm working on it. And the final product rolling over was for the character Marcel, the little monkey, and that is a product with animal pattern, packaging, or name. And for that, I went with my Too Faced Little Black Book of Bronzers in the shade Pink Leopard. Yep, Pink Leopard, this guy down here. This is likely the least used product out of all of them in general. I'm just not reaching for this. There's something about this pan of product that gives a very strange look, and it's not necessarily a flattering one. And I keep trying to find a way to apply it in a way that it doesn't look like a gold like streak of color laying on top of my skin. And every time I try, I never can get it right. So I tend to avoid this product. I have a Pink Leopard in a separate packaging in my stash, and I've never had that problem, but I am having that problem with this. And I'm not sure why, but I just feel like this goldish color, this light gold color, applies to my skin in a very pigmented fashion. And I'm not really getting any of the pink or any of the bronzy shades. So I'm still trying to make this work. Maybe as I get a little bit more color as we get into summer, this will work a little bit better, but I just feel like it stands out on top of my skin and it doesn't do anything really flattering for me. And as a result, I don't really want to reach for it, but I'm going to keep working on it and I'm going to keep trying. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the product I am rolling into this project to replace the hair gel I finished last month. And the prompt, first of all, let's start with the prompt. The prompt is for Mr. Heckles, and that is a product with pan. I got a lot of those. I recently did products that I have pan on, and I think my total count is 93. So I had a bunch to choose from, and the one I ended up going with is one that has been on my mind quite a bit lately, and I just really would like to get back to it. There's part of me that's kind of fooled myself into thinking it won't take too long to finish it, even though it probably will. But I think I would really like to finish it. And that is the blush from this Makeup Revolution palette. This particular palette is called Sugar and Spice. And it started out in my Pan in Every Palette project, I believe. And then I hit pan on it. And then I rolled it into another project at some point. Maybe my Labor of Love It or something. I feel like I had it in something last summer, and I expanded the pan quite a bit. And I feel like this is a very flattened out blush with a good sized pan. And in my head, I really feel like it wouldn't take much to pan this. And I know that I'm kidding myself. I know this is still like a year's worth of product, but in my head, I think it's not going to take that long to finish it. So I've been wanting to put this in a project. It is a little bit of a deeper shade on me. And so I would like to use it as I get a little bit more of a tan because it's a little too dark on me in the winter. And with Hazel being on softball, I am outside regularly. And I've been gardening and at softball. a lot. So I feel like I'm getting a lot of sun, and I don't know. I don't know if I look tanner, but I feel like I'm gonna tan quickly this summer because I'm just outside all the time with softball. So hopefully this is the right time to put this blush back in a project. I am working on 2 other blushes right now, and so it does make me a little bit nervous to add a third one into the mix, because that basically takes my usage of those 2 products from like 15 uses a month down to 10 uses a month, and that's pretty significant, but hopefully it won't affect it too much. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'll pan it. Maybe I'll finish it. Who knows, right? Anything could happen. So that is the product rolling into this project this month. I am super duper excited to have some movement in this project, to have met one goal. If I had to guess what my next goal is going to be, it's going to be finishing this one, but I don't know when that's going to happen. Hopefully it'll happen by next month's update, but again, I have no way of knowing. So that is going to be it for this update, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I really appreciate your patience while I try to get through the next few weeks, which are the end of the school year and the remainder of Hazel's softball season. Life is bananas, and we're in survival mode, baby. We are just hanging on and riding the wave until the oceans settle down, if you know what I mean. Like, it's just crazy time. I don't know what's going on, and I'm very, very, very busy. But I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and I thank you for your patience, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.